Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Jannatul Maowa. I'm a student of class 8 in Starline's Proud International School. Everyone has a goal. My goal is to become an air hostess. My aim in life is to becoming an air hostess because an air hostess is a young lady employed in an aircraft. She looks to the needs and comforts to the passengers traveling by air. She is a clever girl and knows a bit of everything. She can be a nurse to an ailing child or a sick passenger. She is thus an angel to the passengers in the plane. And to do so, it is more important to communicate with the passengers. That is why one of the main aspects of being an air hostess is to have the ability to speak English confidently, the widely spoken and understood language all over the world. That is why at the beginning of my study, I chose English version school to achieve my goal. Teachers of my school are helping me to achieve my goal. Becoming an air hostess is not an easy occupation, but I'm sure that I will achieve my goal with the help of my teachers. In one word, I am very proud of Starline's Proud International School. I am very proud for getting a chance to study here, and I think Starline's Proud International School is the best English version school I've ever seen.